Hey guys, what is going on? This is Wycliffe from TechHood254 and I'm super excited to bring you this video because today we're going to be sharing something that is really close to home because we've been doing this for a long time. If you're joining us for the first time or if you're meeting us for the first time, this is a space where we help you guys learn how to make money online, the legit way so that you don't spend a lot of time messing around with scams on the internet. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about how we make money online in Kenya through YouTube, or basically how we make money online as Kenyan YouTubers. So if YouTube is something that you've ever considered trying out, or you don't know how people make money on YouTube, then stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing with you 5 different ways that my partner and I have been actually making money on YouTube for the past couple of years. So YouTube is something that we started in 2018, and the first video that we posted actually made us money. And so without taking a lot of your time, I'm going to make sure that I've posted timestamps in the description box below. Make sure to check those out if you want to skip to any part of the video, and that will help guide you on whatever part of this video you want to see. So like I've mentioned, the first video that we posted on YouTube actually made us money. Now, everybody starts out on YouTube with 0 subscribers. So what you need to know is that you can actually make money on YouTube without having subscribers. Most people don't know this. So what method am I talking about here? So the first method is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, like I've mentioned in previous videos, is where you find a company that has either a product or a service, and what you do is you apply to become a partner or an affiliate of this company. So what that means is that you're going to be promoting their product or their service to an audience who's interested in this product. And what they do is they give you a specific tracking code or a link that whenever somebody makes a purchase through that link, you actually get paid a commission. And so this is a very interesting and a really, newbie friendly method of making money, especially here on YouTube, because you don't require your own subscriber base. YouTube is a powerful platform that makes it possible for you to reach out to anybody in the world. So whenever you want to make money and you are getting started, affiliate marketing is definitely something that you want to consider because you don't need to have several different subscribers. All you need to do is make sure that you have an affiliate program that you've signed up for. Come here to YouTube, create a video about that product or that service, and share the value. Remember that when it comes to affiliate marketing, if you want to get results, then people need to see the value that you have to offer in terms of information. So the first video that we posted here on YouTube was about a financial technology company. And basically what we did was a review. We did a simple review about this company and told people about what, basically the company was, how the company worked. And we ended up getting so many different signups from different people. And so this video made us more than $300. And this was the first video, keep in mind. And of course, this wasn't, instantly. It happens over time because affiliate marketing is one of those methods that makes you money passively. But the big idea here that you need to take away with you is that this is something you can start without necessarily having a huge audience. So make sure you consider it. And the second method that we have been using here on YouTube to make money is selling digital products. Now, if you are new to the internet space, or if you're new to this whole digital entrepreneurship thing, you might not know what a digital product is, but that's all right because I'm going to be explaining that to you right now. So a digital product, like the name suggests, is basically a product that is created and it's housed online and it's sold online. So this can be something like an ebook, it could be something like an online course, it could be a subscription of some sort, it could be a song, it could be a logo, graphic design, all those types of things. So one of the digital products that we sell here on our YouTube channel is a guide that we have created to help people get started with content writing, because that's a skill that we have and it's something that we specialize in. So if you want to get started with selling digital products, one of the things you could do is look at the area of specialty that you have. And this actually requires you to have an audience, but not a huge audience. What you need to be doing when you want to sell a digital product with the help of YouTube is to make sure that you're providing value and to make sure that you're niched down. Okay, you don't necessarily have to be an expert or a guru at a particular thing, because there are tons of digital product types that you can sell. Like I've mentioned, you can sell logos, you could sell templates, you could even sell things such as YouTube thumbnails, and you could even sell stuff like, you know, private groups, because I've seen people selling access to private groups. And this doesn't necessarily mean that it's a website that you've created. People even sell access to private Facebook groups and stuff like that. So basically what you want to do is to create a sense of an online community here on YouTube. And once you've done that, then as long as you're sharing value with people and you're sharing valuable information, then people will be able to take a look at what you are selling and consider buying that from you. So there are several places where you can house your digital products that I'm not going to go into in this video, but I have talked about that in another video. So I'm going to link it up in the top right corner. Be sure to check that out. It's a video that we did about passive income and how you can make money online while you sleep. And so make sure to go and check that video out. The third method that we use to make money online, on YouTube rather, here in Kenya is consultation services. So this is another perfect way for an expert or somebody who has a skill in a particular thing to make a good and a really significant income on YouTube. So let's say for example that you are somebody who understands web design, or you are an expert at something. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the tech or digital line of work, because for us, we are in the digital entrepreneurship space. And so when we offer consultation services, we help people learn how to make money online, and we help people learn, you know, how to start an affiliate marketing business. We help you learn how to start, you know, your content marketing business. We help you learn how to start basically an online business. And so those are some of the things that people consult us about one-on-one. But it doesn't necessarily have to be about that. You can make money on YouTube with consultation services, consulting with people about literally anything. So you could be an expert in psychology, for example. Let's say you share a lot of psychological tips, and that is something that you went to school for, and it's information that you have. You could also be somebody who's a relationship expert and not necessarily trained, because on YouTube here, people aren't necessarily looking to see your papers, but they're looking at the knowledge that you have and the value that you have. So YouTube is powerful because if you're able to give people value, then you're able to leverage on the authority that you've created to your audience, because whatever you speak out here on YouTube, on the platform, actually helps people to determine whether you know what you're talking about or whether you're just blowing hot air. And so those people who know, or people who are able to see you as somebody who can help them out, will be reaching out to you. So we started getting people reaching out to us even before we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. And this is something that you could do with even 200 subscribers. As soon as people start noticing that you are giving them valuable content and they would like to find out more information from you, then you could turn this into a business and start offering one-on-one consultations by selling this knowledge or selling your experience and expertise in this form. Now, this is a good method, but you need to keep in mind that with one-on-one consultations, it's not necessarily passive income, because it requires you to be present and it requires you to exchange your time for that money. However, if you are looking for a method that's more passive, then you could consider the first two methods that we've mentioned, which is affiliate marketing and selling of digital products. Now, the fourth method that we use to make money on YouTube is through brand deals and brand promotions, so, or sponsorships. So this is something that we've done on our YouTube channel. And again, I need to mention here that it doesn't necessarily take you to have thousands of subscribers and followers for you to start getting brand deals. Now, I know this is different for everybody because usually it depends on what you're talking about. It depends on how you portray your channel. It depends on so many different factors. But on our channel, the first brand deal that we got was with an advertisement company or an advertisement agency known as Adstera. And so they wanted us to talk about their company and do some kind of a review about their platform. And this was just as we were getting to 1,000 subscribers. And so many YouTubers don't actually get such deals when they are just getting started with 1,000 subscribers or even below 10,000 subscribers. A lot of times it's way past that. But what I'm trying to share here with you is that this is a possibility. And so if you want to get those types of deals, right off the bat, you need to make sure that you are portraying your channel in a way that you've branded it towards a particular type of content. And that means you need to find your niche. Not that today you are talking about a specific topic. Let's say today you're talking about, where you could buy books, and the next day you're doing phone reviews, and the next day you're talking about different stuff. Because when brands reach out to you, what they're trying to do is to connect with your audience because they have something that they would like you to share with your audience, and possibly make it possible for this audience that you have to convert to buying customers. So make sure that if you want to position yourself and you are just starting out, or even if you've started already, make sure that your channel has a particular voice to it. And it's a good idea to niche down. Make sure that you've really niched down, know what you're talking about, know who your audience is, know the language of your channel, and also position yourself as a professional. And this will make it a lot more possible for you to get those brand deals and those sponsorship deals way earlier, even before you hit huge numbers in subscribers. Now, we've also done a sponsorship deal for HostGator, which is a website hosting company. And we've also done another one for Prime XBT, which is a platform that allows you to trade in different cryptocurrencies and Forex and stuff like that. So all of this is basically really connected to digital entrepreneurship and making money online, which is what this channel is about. So you can see that the brands that reach out to us are almost around the same topics, and basically they are targeting a specific audience. Now, the fifth method that you can use to make money online, which is, I've left this for the very last because this is something that almost everybody knows about. And most of the people who start out here on YouTube are usually going in for this because this is what they think will make them a lot of money. And they ignore the first four because those ones are less discussed here on YouTube, or especially here in Kenya. And you want to really focus on building up the first four before you get to this platform, before you get to this part where you are making money with AdSense. So YouTube actually allows you to sign up for their partnership program. And this is basically where they will pay you money paid to them by advertisers. So you get to get a piece of the pie. Advertisers want to connect to their audience through the content creators that are here, to your audience as a YouTuber. And so they'll pay Google, and Google will pay you a small piece of that money through AdSense once you are able to qualify for the partnership program, which means you should have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. As you can hear from that, it's not really easy to get to those numbers quickly. It's different for everybody because for us, we actually got there after, I believe, a year or so, or a year, close to 2 years. And we did this with 50 or slightly less than 50 videos. I think it was like 40 something videos that we had uploaded to YouTube before we actually got monetized. Now, if this is what you are targeting to make money off of, then you need to make sure that you are producing highly valuable content very, very frequently, and making sure that you are remaining consistent and making sure that you understand how the platform works, because for people to view your content, then you need to be making content that people want to watch. So this there's so many different factors that come into play here, from how you title your videos if you want to rank for search, and how you title your videos if you, or what you say in your videos if you want YouTube to suggest your videos out next to other videos that are talking about the same thing. So one of the things that has helped us become so successful here on YouTube is because we have actually learned how the platform works, and so this has helped us to rank a couple of our videos in search for specific terms like how to make money online in Kenya, how to make money online in Kenya through M-Pesa, and a number of different keywords that people are searching for. So you don't necessarily have to depend on search. You can actually depend on YouTube sharing or suggesting your videos next to other videos that are talking about the same thing. But basically what I'm trying to say here is that you need to make sure that you learn how the platform works. Make sure you have those good titles, make sure you have the nice thumbnails and all that good stuff. The description has to be, relevant to what you're talking about and stuff like that. I will be doing another video where I share more information about how YouTube works and how the algorithm works and how you can rank your videos if that's something that you'd be interested in. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. And so guys, those are the 5 ways that we are actually making money on YouTube, and it's 5 streams of income using this platform. So you need to make sure that you are looking at this platform as a business, and if you want to earn from it, don't forget that you have to put in the work. It's not something that's going to come overnight. There's no overnight success here on YouTube. It takes a lot of work. So you have to be ready. You have to be dedicated in order for you to do this. That's all the time we have for this video, guys. Our time is well spent. If you have any questions about any of these methods, make sure to comment down in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content or if you learned anything from it. And go ahead and share it as well if you know anybody who would be interested in viewing such content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.